Hello viewers, in today's video we'll see how this HP laptop is to be opened without causing any damage. So this laptop is to be opened from the bottom side. First of all, we have to remove this DVD writer. For this you just have to slide it out. It will get unplugged and will slide out easily like this. So we remove the DVD writer and place it here on the side. Make sure to separate some towel for placing the laptop upside down so as not to damage the outer surface. So there are two anti-skid rubber beadings at the bottom. One I've already removed, and after that I've removed these three screws. So this one also we have to remove. So I'll be using this small bit for helping me remove this. There is an adhesive tape. I would prefer that this also goes along with the beading. Okay, so we'll place it upside down with the sticky side facing up. Okay, so there are four screws which I have already removed. So my objective for today is to add more RAM. This is 4 GB DIMM and this is the SSD, that's the solid state disk. So now we start opening this laptop. There are latches all around the periphery, so we have to start removing them. So in all there were 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, that is total of 11 screws. All are of the same size. So those screws, they have been removed, and now I'm unlatching the back cover. I'm not using any tool except for my nails at the moment. Okay, now this side is quite flimsy. These are the latches, so I'll prefer not to apply too much force here because it is likely to get damaged. So instead of doing it here, I would like to start from the other end. From here, there are latches here also. Let's remove them. I should be using this bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we reach till there. Now it should come off. Okay. Only one latch is probably left. That is where the anti-theft lock goes. So this slot is held up. I'll just try doing it without meting out any damage to the chassis. Okay, it has come off beautifully. So this is the inside, and its plastic is sputtered, probably with some metal or maybe some tape is there. This acts as an anti-static cover. This is the inside. Now here you can see this is the battery. Here's the hard disk, and I have to plug in the SSD. So this is the SSD slot. So this is where it is to go. I guess is to go this way or the other way around. Let's see. These connectors are polarized. You see the sides are asymmetric, so it will go in only one way. Yeah, this is the way it is to go. Okay, yes, done. But I'll have to take it off because this screw needs to be removed first. It is for securing the SSD in place. So they have already provided with the screw. Okay, so here's the screw. Now once again, make sure before touching these sensitive electronic items, make sure you ground yourself. You can have a wristband. I prefer to stand on the floor barefooted. So that's an easier way to ground yourself. If the weather is too cold, then you can use a wristband. So I have a magnetic screwdriver. It comes in handy for handling these small screws. Oh my god, I'll have to use the forceps maybe. Okay, there it goes in place. So the SSD has fallen into place. The next job is to plug in the RAM. So it goes in at an angle. I'll just show you in this view. To align the slot, then plug it in and then push it in so it gets clamped. So the job is done. Now we have to put the cover back in. So this is some of the components here. So we had a DVD writer here, and this is the hard disk and battery, as I've told earlier. This is the heat pipe and this is the cooling fan. These are the two DIMMs of RAM. So the closing of the cover is just converts of the procedure that we had done earlier. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.